Welcome to all of you. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will do practice for compound sentence. Here we are having worksheet number 1. Here sentences are given to us and we have to check which sentence is simple sentence. Now let's start. So first is I don't want to make mistakes. In this sentence we are having one subject and one predicate. Subject is I and don't want to make mistake is a predicate. So it is simple sentence. Second is I have sold them all my life but I still make mistakes. Here it is combined with conjunction but, so it is not a simple sentence. Okay, now next one is I have a few pieces of glass. Again here one subject is there I and have a few pieces of glass, that is predicate, so it's a simple sentence. The next one is I sold the rings for the right price and I made £2 on the picture. Now this sentence is combined by using conjunction and we are having two subject and two predicate. In first part here it is I and sold the ring for the right price, it is predicate. In next part I is subject and made £2 on the picture, it is predicate. So the sentences which are having only one subject and one predicate are known as simple sentences, and the sentences which are joined by conjunction, these sentences are joined by conjunction using but and. ठीक है, and each clause contains a subject and predicate and make complete sense, so it is a compound sentence. So next one is now worksheet number 2. Here some sentences are given to us and we have to identify which sentence is simple and which is compound. So first one is it's getting late. Here we are having only one subject and one predicate, so it is simple sentence. Second is the students won the match and the coach was happy. In this sentence it is combined by using conjunction and the students is subject, won the match predicate. In second part the coach is subject, was happy predicate, so it is compound sentence. Next is should I write a letter or should I make a phone call? It is combined by using conjunction or, it is compound sentence. This is a beautiful picture, it is simple sentence. My parents are away to Delhi but they will be back on Monday. Now in this sentence they is written in bracket. So whenever we are having compound sentence and second part contains the same subject, so normally subject is omitted in the second part because they is used for my parents, the same subject is here, so it's optional to write they or not, then it is compound sentence. Next one is she was nervous but she faced the audience, it is compound sentence. Next is it stolen or have you lost it? It is combined by using conjunction or, it is compound sentence. The weather was warm but it was rather humid. Again the same thing is there, it is used for weather, so it is written in bracket. It is up to you to use the subject or not, and it is compound sentence. Next one is my computer is out of order. In this sentence we are having one subject, that is my computer, as is out of order, it is predicate, so it is simple sentence. Next is the girl was happy but she missed her mother, it is compound sentence. Hope you can now easily identify the difference between compound sentence and simple sentence. Now move to worksheet 3. Now in this worksheet here is an activity. Here your partner is there and you are there. Some question answers are there, but make sure जब आप answer frame करोगे you have to use the conjunction which is given in the bracket and your answer should be in compound sentence. Now first example is given to you. What would you do if you found a lot of money in the park? And bracket में हमें दिया है and. So answer given is I would keep some and give the rest to the police. Next is what would do you like about your school? और what do you dislike about it, और ब्रैकेट में गिवन है but, so you have to use but. The answer is I like the sports in my school, but I dislike the indisciplined students. Next is, what will you do if you win a cash prize worth rupees 1 lakh? अब यहाँ पर आपको ब्रैकेट में और गिवन है. So answer is I will give it to mother और डिपॉजिट इन द बैंक. या तो मैं मम्मा को दूंगा या बैंक में डिपॉजिट कर दूंगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शी योर फ्रेंड, और ब्रैकेट में नॉर गिवन है, तो आप बोलोगे नीदर शी नॉर हर ब्रदर इज माई फ्रेंड. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट हैपेंड इन द फंक्शन, और ब्रैकेट में एंड यूज करना है आपने. द बॉयज सैंग एंड द गर्ल्स डांस्ड. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज वेयर इज योर फादर, और ब्रैकेट में सो यूज करना है आपने. तो आंसर इज देयर इज नो शुगर so he is going to the store. Clear? Hope this worksheet is clear to you. Now next is worksheet number 4. Now here see, look at the picture. Professionals are given to you. ठीक है. or you can use by your own, choose by your own, and you have to use the conjunction also. So first example is given an athlete. So अगर आप किसी ने एथलीट बनना है तो you have to give ideas for those professionals. He can win the races, but he has to practice hard. He must eat well and get proper sleep. And he can join a gym to keep fit or exercise on the field on his own. Clear? Now second profession I have chosen, that is teacher. She should create friendly environment in the class but needs to be careful. ठीक है. Next, doctor. He should be soft spoken and he should give free medicine to the poor people. Next, police. He should be fit and he should be smart and intelligent. Clear? This worksheet is clear to all of you. Now thanks for watching. Next worksheet we will do in next video.